Hey guys, Paleo Nick here. This is gonna be the opener for two series. The first one is Paleo Potager. The other one is Paleo Plus, or in this case, Paleo Plus corn tortillas. We're going with a chicken tortilla soup. It's gonna be in the zone, and it's gonna be delicious. So stick around, we'll be right back. So I'm a huge fan of the corn tortilla. I found a source where it's just corn and water. So, you know, they're non-GMO. They're obviously not paleo, but if I could add one thing to the paleo diet, I think this would be it. We're gonna start off with 9 tortillas stacked up. And we're gonna cut them into nice thin strips, okay? See that? And then I've got a sheet pan lined with foil here. I'm gonna spread them out. And then I'm gonna drizzle those with olive oil. Sprinkle them with kosher salt, pepper. Boom. Get those in the oven preheated, 350 degrees. All right guys, next step, we're gonna knock out our chicken. And again, I've got these huge breasts. So I'm just gonna set it on another foil lined sheet pan, cut it in half just like that. 3, 4, okay? Just open up the surface area. They won't take as long to cook. We're gonna hit it with salt and pepper just on the top. And then it will be a race. Which is gonna be done first, the tortilla strips or the chicken? Here we go, just like that. In the oven, we'll let it rip. All right, so here we've got 1 bulb of garlic, peeled and smashed. It's approximately 10 cloves. I've got a 8-quart stock pot preheating and some olive oil. To that, I'm gonna add the garlic and some ground cumin. And it's always nice to toast your spices like this. If we were to make the soup, get the liquid going, and then add the cumin, it wouldn't give us the same flavor. Okay, so once that's rocking, I'm gonna add some onions. Hit that with a little bit of salt. And then cover it. We'll let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll check back in. All right, now we're gonna cut, I'm rolling out a lime here. Get that going, and then I'm gonna cut into a couple avocados. These will provide, you know, the healthy fat and some lovely kind of sweet, buttery flavor. Oh, this is the stuff dreams are made of right here, baby. Okay, checking on those onions. Put it over here, staying nice and toasty. I'm gonna add my Chipotles. Break those guys up. Back in. Onions are, you know, semi-translucent at this point. Bottom of the pan is still clean. Not sticking anywhere. Go in with our tomatoes. A little bit more salt to help draw out that moisture. Lid on. We're gonna go 2 minutes and then we'll go in with our chicken stock. All right, here we are. Put tomatoes. Add our chicken. This is just a roasted, kind of a darker roasted chicken stock that I pre-made. Pump it on high. We got to melt that down. Okay, about a handful of cilantro at this point. Just roughly chop it. Boom, boom, boom. And then lime. And then potager. I started by saying Paleo Potager. What does that mean? In the classical French kitchen, the potager is the soup maker. So I love making soups, and I don't have a lot of them on the site, so we're gonna start incorporating some soups to get those Minnesotans through their -50, -30 days, all right? I got my immersion blender here, and you can either transfer this to your Vitamix blender or just get one of these guys, and makes it a lot easier. So I'll just stick this in here. There we go, guys. Everything's, no chunks left. Nice and pureed. Woo! Yeah, nice and smoky from the Chipotle. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that. Dump those juices in. Okay. We'll just take the chicken over here. We'll transfer this. Hot chicken, hot chicken. So what are we getting here? We're getting a portion of our carbs and all of our lean protein. And then the avocado and a little bit of the oil that we cook that in will provide the healthy fat. And the bulk of our carbs are actually going to come from our corn tortillas. Oh, that's the one. Okay. All right, so there it is, guys. Paleo plus corn tortillas. We're looking at about 20 blocks, so maybe 5 4-block meals. I got one here for me, one for Jesse, cameraman. Thanks, Jesse. And yeah, super simple. Paleo potager, paleo plus corn tortillas. I'm Paleo Nick. Thanks for watching, you guys. Keep it paleo.